Two questions. Number
Sure.
one, how is the tracking? Are they accurately tracking Bitcoin? That's what the viewers want to know. And how are the flows? What kind of investor interest are you getting?
So the tracking has been really remarkable. We've seen the Bitcoin ETFs really doing a great job of holding very tight bid-ask spreads, tracking the fund's net asset values very tightly, and we've seen a liquidity profile that has been indicative of what we anticipated. We've got a 10-year track record and over 1 million investors and over 20 billion in assets. So we're seeing exactly what we anticipated.
Are you happy with the flows? Because what I noticed, you had 26 billion. You were the leader of the pack. You had an existing fund. You converted in. I see about 6 billion in outflows. Not bad. Modest inflows into the rest of them. Are you happy with where you are right now? You've got about $20 billion from 26. Do you want more? How would you characterize what's happening?
Well, when you're a leader in the market and you have the largest fund and you're the product that is looked to for the greatest liquidity and for both investment opportunity and also an access vehicle, you're going to see inflows and outflows. We've seen some outflows. We anticipated those outflows. FTX estate had to sell some GBTC that they held. That's not going into another product. We're really happy to see that the product is behaving as designed, tracking the underlying asset very, very tightly. And candidly, Bob, this product is brand new, and we didn't know exactly how it was going to work. It's working as designed, and we're really excited about that.
It was amazing to watch the fee wars going on day by day. They kept cutting the fees. You still have the highest fees. They're charging 1.5%. That's a lot. Everybody else is 0 or 19, 20 basis points after 6 months. Are you going to keep that 1.5% fee?
The fee is one component to a product, and it's one component to the decision track that an investor is going to make. When you start taking a look at 10-year track record and liquidity characteristics of the product, those are other factors that investors are going to pay attention to and prioritize.
You can't go to a train station without seeing a Grayscale ad. I don't know, how much are you spending on ads? You seem to be in a blitzkrieg trying to convince the country that everybody should invest in the Bitcoin ETF. Look, seriously, anywhere I go, I see a Grayscale ad.
ETFs have long democratized investing. They started with S&P 500 exposure 30 years ago. 20 years ago, they brought gold to market. This is another point of evolution and another point of maturity for the ETF market, bringing Bitcoin to the broadest range of investors in an equitable and transparent fashion.
Can you convince advisors to buy Bitcoin? There's a whole big program here right now where you're on a blitzkrieg to try to convince the investment advisory community that it's safe. Gary Gensler fired a broad shot across the bow when he admitted, okay, we lost the Grayscale case, but folks, let me remind you, this is Gensler talking, you were required, if you are an investment advisor, to follow regulation best interest. That has a suitability requirement. That's a warning shot from Gary Gensler saying, you investment advisors had better be careful about recommending Bitcoin and make sure it's appropriate for the people that you are advising. That seems to be a shot across the bow to you, saying you could get sued very easily.
Yeah, there's a couple of things I would say about this. This is about pulling Bitcoin investing further into the regulatory perimeter. We respected the process with the SEC. Of course, we had a disagreement, but we settled that. And we're going to respect the process at all of those registered investment advisors platforms and all the independent advisor platforms and the wirehouse platforms to ensure that we're going through a due diligence process. We're ensuring that they understand what our product is, GBTC. It's got a 10-year track record, and it's the largest in the world. And also that they understand who Grayscale is. And I've long said not every ETF is created equally, not every ETF issuer is created equally, and we will comply with those regulatory standards as well at these independent markets.
So you're convinced that you can show people this is the path.
Absolutely.
I always joke about Bitcoin for grandma, and Gensler is warning people you may not be suitable for that. You think that there is a clear legal path where you can show RIAs. This is what you need to do to recommend Bitcoin to your investors. Here's what's suitable, who's not. It's a new product. It's not hard to. It's hard to figure out. Frankly.
Well, I mean, independent RIAs and the wealth management platforms have their process of due diligence. We are going to comply with that, and we think that ETFs have long been building blocks for clients and have democratized investing for the broadest range of asset classes. This is a new example of that. Now these wealth management platforms actually understand what an ETF is. They actually understand how to diligence an ETF, and it's going to give them the opportunity to diligence this asset inside the ETF wrapper. So it's going to give them the opportunity to do so.